Are you still struggling to make dull data in your videos come alive? Data visualization is now an absolute necessity. But building professional, eye-catching chart animations from scratch? It's time-consuming and highly technical. What if you could effortlessly turn spreadsheets into stunning animations? Introducing Filmora's Animated Charts feature, set to revolutionize how data content is presented. Whether it's basic charts like bar, line, and pie charts, or trendy dynamic ones such as bar or donut chart races, Filmora's Animated Charts has you covered. You don't need Excel, After Effects, or motion graphic skills. Create dynamic animated charts in just a few clicks with Filmora 15. Want to learn? Keep watching! Before we begin, please visit the official Wondershare Filmora website and download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming Filmora 15 tutorials. Bring your data to life. Choose from built-in dynamic effects like continuously changing bar or line chart animations. These professional-grade effects transform static numbers into compelling visual stories that keep your audience hooked. How to use the Animated Charts feature in Filmora 15. Step 1. Access new Animated Chart feature. Launch Filmora 15, then start a new project. Then go to the Effects tab. Then under the Video Effects, you will get an option of Exclusive. Click on it, and you will get the Animated Charts option. Step 2. Access Animated Charts in Filmora 15. Click on Animated Charts, and a vibrant new screen bursts open before your eyes. On the left, you'll discover an array of chart types just waiting for your selection. Choose from the dynamic bar chart, the sleek donut chart, the striking column chart, the flowing line chart, or the classic pie chart. Once you make your choice, you'll be greeted with an instant preview of your selected masterpiece. Plus, you have the power to switch up the aspect ratio to match your vision. Whether it's 3:2, 2:3, 16:9, 9:16, or the perfectly balanced 1:1. Step 3. Customize animated charts in Filmora 15. On the right side, you can choose between a sleek light or bold dark theme to set the perfect mood for your chart. Next, dive into a vibrant array of color palettes available in an easy-to-use drop-down menu, allowing you to bring your data to life. Transform the look of your chart with unique font selections and take control with customizable bar shapes and spacing to create an eye-catching layout. Want to make your data pop? Change the colors by year or type and add stunning outlines to your bars that will make them stand out. Plus, you can easily add labels for clarity and style. Adjust the X-axis bar positions for a perfect fit, whether you want them to rise from the bottom or drop from the top. And don't forget the Y-axis. Under the Y-axis, switch between right and left. Personalize the label positions, font styles, and sizes to match your aesthetic. But that's not all. Change the background color to set the perfect backdrop for your masterpiece. Add a captivating header that reflects your personal touch, along with a professional legend to guide your viewers. Elevate your chart further by incorporating clear guidelines and precise values for impactful storytelling. And let's talk about animations. Choose from a playful range of effects like grow, bounce, fade, or slide to add a dash of excitement to your chart. You can even mix and match animations with an order of your choice, crafting a unique animated style that will dazzle your audience. Transform your data into a captivating visual experience. Get started now and turn your chart into an unforgettable masterpiece. Step 4. Add data to animated charts in Filmora 15. Right above the chart, hit that Data button and let the fun begin. You can easily enter your information in the designated column, or if you're rocking an Excel or CSV file, just click here, select your file, and watch all your data magically fill the column. Want to customize your chart even more? Simply right-click on any column to reveal awesome options for adding or deleting columns. And here's the exhilarating part. In the final step, you get to bring your vision to life. Choose your category and value columns and then hit Add to Timeline to showcase your stunning chart. Let's take a preview. Further, you can adjust the chart scale and position. Also, you can edit your chart if required. Check out the difference between a static chart and an animated chart. Now, creating professional animated charts is super easy in Filmora 15. Fast, clean, and zero design headaches. Download Filmora 15 now and try out the animated chart feature by yourself. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.